Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting straight into the system menus. Make sure you are signed in, the controller is responsive, and the display shows the Ps5 home screen. Once ready, press the PS button, then go to Settings, select System, and open Power Saving. This path takes you to the controls that determine how long the console waits before entering rest or energy-saving modes. From here, you'll change timer values and disable rest mode features, so the console won't automatically shift. Once in power saving, choose Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode and review both playing media and not playing media options. Change each timer to the longest available setting or choose the option that effectively disables automatic rest, labeled like Don't Put in Rest Mode or Set to Off. Also, make sure to open features available in rest mode and turn off options like Supply Power to USB or Stay Connected to Internet. Disabling these prevents background activity and completes the switch away from. After adjusting settings, back out to the main menu and confirm the timers now reflect your choices. To test, leave the console idle for a few minutes to ensure it doesn't enter rest mode. If it still does, restart the PS5 and recheck the same settings. If menu options are grayed out, make sure system software is up to date, then reboot and retry. If problems persist, power cycle by fully shutting down and unplugging for 30 seconds before trying changes again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.